In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the idle air control valve on this Jeep Wrangler with a 2.4 liter engine. It's located on the back of the throttle body, so let's get started. On the back side of the throttle body, you'll see the connector down here. There's one on top, that's not the one we're disconnecting. You need to disconnect this lower one. Press on this tab and pull it backwards. I'm going to use a small pry bar. Oh, there we go. You can use a little screwdriver if that's what you have and pull that connector back. Now you need a T25 Torx bit to remove the two bolts that hold the IAC valve on. They're a little tricky to get to. These bolts should not be tight. They're very small. Remove them both. There's one of them. Set it aside safely. The other one is going to be on the back of it. A little bit more difficult to see. There's the second one. At this point, you should be able to pull this straight out. And there it is. Take your new idle air control valve, stick it right into its mounting hole, and I'm going to start the bolt that's closer to me first because I can see it and I can make sure that it's actually started in and the valve is fastened properly, at least on one side, and it's not going to come off on me while I try to start in that second one. Having said that, I'm going to bottom this out completely. It does not have any sort of adjustment to it. It can't move, so even if I bottom this out, there is no need to move this around to line up the second one. And having this bottomed out will actually hold it in place, so I can just line up the second one. Try not to drop the other bolt. It's a little tricky to get in there, but still doable. With both of these in, I'm going to snug them up. Keep in mind, these are very small, delicate, and you do not want to over tighten these. 1/8 of a turn after they bottom out is the most you want to tighten them. That's bottomed out. Give it a little extra and stop right there. That's bottomed out, a little extra, done. Plug in the electrical connector, make sure it clicks. And there we go, that was the click right there. Turn on the engine, make sure it runs properly and idles smoothly. And there you go, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.